AI, combined with sensing technology, is significantly modernizing and changing the landscape of the transportation sector, reducing errors, preventing accidents, and shortening trip times. From the very beginning of our journey, we are leaving trails of data, tracking the steps we make and the things we carry along the way. While behind the scenes, sensors from SICK and AI solutions from Cognistic are capturing data and powering systems with intelligence so we can arrive at our front doors safer and easier. And no matter where the next stop is, our AI is simplifying travel, optimizing trips both long and short, suggesting the next best and fastest route, and delivering a comfortable and hassle-free travel experience. And as we hop off and hop on during transit, the sensors from SICK and the AI from Cognistic are in the background, surveilling the stations. Together, they detect fallen objects and people, analyze crowd movements, and warn passengers in hazardous zones, thereby enhancing safety and saving lives. Thanks to this real-time orchestration of devices and algorithms, any risk of an imminent catastrophic collision with pedestrians is eliminated, thereby redefining transportation safety parameters. Using AI for short-term forecasting, the arrival time of buses can be accurately estimated, which means shorter waiting time for riders, while ridership forecasting enables transit agencies to anticipate demand, maximize utilization, and keep their capacities under control. To achieve all this, sensor data are merged with Vision AI to activate automated classification and counting of passengers and their accompanying items. Wherever solutions from Cognistic and SICK are deployed, on-site passengers and their belongings are kept properly safeguarded and accounted for every step of the way. And with our ethical and responsible AI, ridership visibility is maintained with no distraction to drivers, and in such a way that the identity and privacy of the riders are protected. The result? No items are forgotten, and no child is left unattended, thus leaving little chance for a trip disruption. SICK and Cognistic are bound, after all, by their mutual commitment to bringing about an enriched, reliable, and safe ridership experience, and by their shared vision of transforming the transportation industry in the digital era.